Hey you guys, it's me Natalie, and as you can like hear, it is storming out. It is like the night, and it is pouring. Look at this. I don't know if you can see very well, but it is raining. That is like raining out. Our pool is getting all wet. Yeah. You can see from out here, it is seriously raining. The lights are flickering. My lights were flickering. This is what this video is about. Trying to see if we can get the light capturing on camera. Wow. And look at this. Look at this. The streets are flooded. It's all flooded. Oh my gosh. And from our balcony, another balcony door, see that lightning? I don't even want to get close to those doors. Let's see if we can get the light capturing on camera. It was happening in my room, so let's see if it happens here. Our chimney. It's coming in our chimney. Hear that?
Jake told us straight up if we didn't get him.
It's coming in from our chimney. All the way up there. It's coming in our fireplace. Okay. My lights were flickering. It was crazy. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna see if we can get this on camera. As you can see, my chandelier light went off. If you saw in the video, the Eye of the Tiger video. Okay, they turned back on. Oh, there they go. Oh gosh. So I guess we can catch that experience with you guys with the lamp. I mean, my chandelier already went out. So let's see if we can get it with the lamp. Let's see. Please work. This is what the video is about. Oh. Is it gonna do it? They're gonna do it. It looks like Jesus is watering the flowers or something. Whoa. I'm not seeing any flickering, so let's just keep watching. I'm not seeing anything though. Let's just keep watching. You never know, Colt and Nat. You'll never know what's coming, Colt and Nat. That's us in a picture frame. Okay, come on. Have this flicker for YouTube. I mean, you can go back in the Eye of the Tiger video and it will flicker. But thanks for watching. Peace.